Screwgate sleeve. Patented, innovative design isolates belay loop to eliminate cross-loading. With its revolutionary, patent-pending design made possible by Black Diamond's hot forge, the Black Diamond GridLock Screwgate eliminates the dangers of cross-loading. Designed specifically for belaying, the intuitive, easy-to-use GridLock isolates the belay loop behind its uniquely shaped gate, thereby keeping the carabiner in its proper orientation. The GridLocks I-beam spine transitions into a large, rounded rope-bearing surface for maximum strength and smooth rope feeding. Simply put, you'll never have to deal with a shifting, cross-loaded belay carabiner again. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent, belay carabiner. Standard carabiners are just fine for normal or sport use, but this does up the game when belaying. With a standard carabiner and a normal belay device, there is always the issue of cross-loading the carabiner when there is any slack in the system. Even after just a couple uses, the advantages of this GridLock design is clear. Keep the harness in the small portion of the carabiner and the belay device in the larger portion, and it is all but impossible to cross-load and keeps everything neat and tidy. While I do prefer the Screwgate design over a twist lock for security, the threads on the gate are pretty squeaky and could use to be smoother, but functionally the lock works fine and it's not very noticeable. I would definitely recommend this as a second carabiner and dedicate it to belay use. There are other situations where it could be used, but when belaying it really shines.